Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Sanliida X8 Hunting Compound Bow. This bow is light and easy to use. Many experts said it was a standard setup and easy to adjust. The sight illuminates and the rest is a cool design. The draw length and draw weight is easily adjustable. It is straightforward to assemble and install all the accessories, set the draw length and draw weight. The compound bow with a large range of adjustable draw lengths and draw weights without needing a bow press. A bow for everyone. 100% CNC machine cams and modules with the 6061 T6 aluminum. The draw length and draw weight is easily adjustable. For details, let's watch more. Our second best compound bow for hunting is Bear Archery Cruiser G2. For dedicated practice and confidence, approach, closing the distance, accuracy, thinking under pressure, making quick and ethical judgments, this compound bow is perfect for the price. The Bear Archery Cruiser G2, the perfect bow to handle whatever adventure comes your way. The maximum versatility of this bow is engineered for all ages and skill levels. The bow is adjustable from 12-inch to 30-inch in draw length range and 5 to 70 pounds peak draw weight. All adjustments can be made using an Allen wrench and there is no need for a bow press. The bow comes ready to hunt equipped with 6 trophy ridge accessories: a 4-pin sight, a whisker biscuit, a 5-arrow quiver, a stabilizer and sling, a peep sight, and a knock loop. The Cruiser G2 weighs only 3 pounds and fires arrows at 315 feet per second. With a super smooth draw cycle, the Cruiser G2 offers a 70% let-off. The advanced grip design eliminates hand torque for enhanced accuracy. Third pick in our list is Panderos Compound Bow. This is a great beginner bow. The bow is a great value. It comes with all you need to get started using a compound bow. The only thing missing is a guard for your forearm, as the string on the bow rubs up against the firearm when firing. It is very powerful and accurate. Would definitely recommend this bow to an adult beginning with archery. It's very easily adjustable and accurate. Adjustable draw weight and draw length without bow press. It available in red, green, blue, black, and pink. It HS string stopping function. Number 4 in our side is SAS Outrage Compound Bow. There are those who are interested in getting into bow hunting or compound bow shooting. This SAS Outrage is perfect choice for money. It has a draw length that is for fingers and really long. Bought this bow for a release. This bow is smaller and yet heavier than I expected. That weight will take a toll on your brace shoulder. But it feels very solid. I expect it would survive a 30 feet drop from a tree stand and worse. The bow is also great. It is very accurate, light, and durable. It has a slightly adjustable draw length ranging from 26 to 30 inches and a draw weight from 55 to 70 pounds. It weighs 4.4 pounds, which make it fairly heavy, although a fair price to pay for money. It is sturdy and comfortable to use, which makes it functional for hunting. It is accurate and consistent right from the setup. Number 5 in our top 5 best compound bow for hunting list is Diamond Archery Provo. It launches arrows at over 300 feet per second. It only weighs 3.2 pounds and has a draw weight of up to 70 pounds total. The Infinite Edge Pro can be used by anybody from an experienced sportsman to new shooters. It's incredibly versatile in its adjustments for both weight and draw length. Draw length goes from 13 to 31 inches and the weight range is 5 to 70 pounds. The most accurate and sought-after cam system on the market today. The binary cam system is comprised of two perfectly symmetrical cams that are slave to each other, forcing the cams to turn in perfect synchronization. This provides for flawless nock travel and tuning that you can set and forget, maximizing accuracy and consistency. With a simple turn of the limb bolt, easily adjust from maximum to minimum poundage, or anywhere in between. The easy-to-read marks provide simplicity and draw weight adjustments for any user. To start an archery experience off right, great equipment is half the battle. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.